Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Manyata the Explorer. I am your lecturer VP sir. In the session 7, we are going to deal about methods of producing friction, dynamics of circular motion, and also finally how to derive the expression for maximum speed of a car on a banked as well as a level road here. So we know very well, the question comes out, friction is going to be reduced on what method, what is the ways are there. So we know very well there are many ways are there, like by applying water, polishing the surfaces, surface ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ the friction is going to be very less. friction ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, friction level is going to be decreases ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. By this way we can reduce the friction. And next one is by applying what lubricants ಅನ್ನು apply ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮೂಲಕ we can reduce the friction also. And finally by converting ಏನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, by converting sliding friction, because in the case of sliding friction the maximum frictions comes into play. To reduce those sliding friction, converting sliding friction into rolling friction. By this way we can reduce the friction. Okay, by completion of this methods of reducing friction, we move on dynamics of circular motion. What is the dynamic? The motion is going to takes place due to what? External force, due to the reason of motion of a body anta tilkobodu. So therefore here when a body in a circular path, say it is called as what a circular path here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. when this body of having what mass m ಇದೆ, which is in what circular path ಒಳಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ velocity is going to be changes. It means accelerates takes place. ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ accelerate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, takes place. So therefore motion of a body along a circular path or a motion of an object in a circular path, it is going to be called as circular motion anta karitare. So circular motion is classified into two types. When a body is in a motion, the body which is acts towards center agbodu. When the body is in circular motion, when the body is away from center agbodu. By this way we classified as two types. One is called a centripetal as well as a centrifugal anta kaltidivi. So the word centripetal is very important for deriving the expression for maximum speed of a car on a level road as well as a bank road also. First one is centripetal force. Here centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. Okay, in the case of centripetal, the body which is always directed towards center here directed towards center. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕಡೆನೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as what a centripetal force. In this case which is away from a center ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as what a centrifugal force. It can be measurable, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as what a real forces ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. But it is called as what a imaginary. We can feel ourselves. ಅದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ that is called pseudo forces. Pseudo, or it is simply called as ಫಿಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ mv²/r, ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ FC ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬೋದು ನಾನು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ v is the called speed, then m is called mass of the object, and r be the radius. And here v²/r ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದು. And this works on a inertial and non-inertial frame ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. non-inertial frame ಅಲ್ಲೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಅ non-inertial frame ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. non-inertial frame ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So these are the important definition for centripetal and centrifugal forces here. With the help of this definitions and differences, we will derive the final part of this chapter is the maximum speed of a car on level road as well as a banked road here. So in this case, the expression for, very important for theory exams, expression for maximum speed of a car on a level road. Let us consider a flat road here. The flat road anta ankoli. A car which is resting on a flat road here. This car has some weight here, that is called W equals to mg. Then the car also providing a normal reaction, because car and the road is in a contact there. So the road also providing water forces on the car which is acting vertically upward. This is called as normal reaction R. Then frictions R comes into play, that is called Fs anta na tagotini. When a body or when a car is moving in a flat road having mass m ide, okay, so therefore when a car is at rest, idu rest olagide, inu motion olage agilla, then the various forces are going to be various forces acts here. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The first one is W equal to mg. ಯಾಕೆ? ಕಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, acting vertically downward ಇದೆ. Number 2, normal reaction ಕೂಡ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, because car is at rest on the flat road ಇದೆ, level road ಇದೆ. The surface of a road also providing a force on what a car here, so therefore normal reaction ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And the force of friction between tires, ಏನು ಟೈರ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಟೈರ್ಗೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore force of friction between tires of a car and road. So these are the forces acting on a car when a car is at a stationary or at a rest olagiddaga. Since car is not in a motion e agilla andre, the normal reaction which is equal to weight of the car. So in the sense what? R minus W, or simply called as what? W equal to 0, which is equal and opposite here. So therefore W is nothing but mg, R minus mg equal to 0 here. So normal reaction is equal to what? Mg. Okay. When a car is in a circular path, because car is moving in a circular path, velocity going to be changes, it accelerates ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then this car will provides what? A centripetal force ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, that is called as Fc equals to what here? mv square by what? R here. This is called a centripetal force. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, during a circular motion, the frictions comes into play between tires of a car as well as a road. So therefore the friction is F equal to mu into R here. So we know very well R equal to mg, so therefore mu mg here. So it is called equation number 1 ankoli, this is equation number 2 ankoli. So therefore car remains on the road yavaga the condition is centripetal force is equal to friction adaga. What is Fc here? mv square by R ide. What is F here? Mu mg ide. Okay, then mass get cancels, sorry, m, so therefore this R going this side, so V square equal to mu Rg. So V equal to root mu Rg. It is simply called mu Rg raised to 1 by 2. But we know very well mu is nothing but a coefficient of static friction, that is called F by R is equals to what? Tan theta. We studied in the case of what? Angle of friction. So therefore V max, this is nothing but a maximum speed of a car on the level road. V equals to tan theta Rg raised to 1 by 2. This will be a expression for maximum speed of a car on a level road. Okay, so after completion of this one, we move on the expression for maximum speed on a bank road here. It's very simple. Here also various forces are acting when a car is moving in a banked road here or inclined road here. Say it is called as what? A circular path. Say it is called a flat road. This is called inclined plane. Here it is called a car is there. Then the car has some weight which is acting vertically downward, that is called W equal to mg. The normal reactions are going to be takes place R. This is called R cos theta. This is called normal reaction R, which makes an angle theta here. Then this is called as what? R sin theta. Normal reactions are classified two components. One is along vertical, one is along what? Horizontal, when it is moving on a bank road here. Here also the various forces are acting on here. The first one is various forces. Yavudappa andre weight of a car. Yavudu? Weight of car W equals to mg, which is acting vertically downward. And also normal reaction by the bank road on the car. So normal reaction which is acting vertically upward ಇದೆ. And also the force of frictions comes into play between tires of a car as well as a road here. But here normal reactions are classified two components. So one is R cos theta, which is opposite to the direction of a car, opposite to direction of a car. The next one is R sin theta, which is acts towards circular path, acts towards circular path, which is equal to centripetal force, that is mv square by R here. So we know very well R sin theta, which is numerically equal to centripetal force or acceleration mv square by R here. Say it is called equation number 1. Then R cos theta is equals to what here? mg here. It is called equation number 2. Dividing equation 2 by 1, so the equation becomes 2 by 1 here. In the sense, so 1 by 2, sorry. Then r sin theta divided by r cos theta. Then equation becomes mv square by r divided by mg here. R get cancelled, then becomes what? Tan theta. Then m get cancelled here, then v square by rg here. So therefore v square equal to tan theta rg. So v equal to tan theta rg raised to 1 by 2. But we know very well tan theta is equal to, numerically equal to, coefficient of static friction, which is equals to ratio of what? F by r here. So therefore this can be rewritten as v equal to mu rg raised to 1 by 2, which will be the expression for the maximum speed of a car on a banked road here. Okay, thank you.